Well, good morning, folks. We're out here on the St. Croix this morning. It's a bit chilly. We're going to go out and try to find some walleyes and see what we can do with some crappies, perhaps, and just have a fun day of fishing. So tag along with me. Let's see what we can find. Here we go. So this morning, folks, we're going to start out by just using a jig and a plastic. We're going to try to hit some of these shallows. Let's see if we can get some of those walleyes up on the shore or near the shore area. I'm thinking those would be a little better, decent fish, but time will only tell. We're going to find out in a few minutes. So let's give it a shot. Okay, folks, so here's what we're doing today. We're using the fireball jig with a stinger on it. I'm going to use a 1/4 ounce. I'm going to use fat heads. I'm going to even try a shiner or two out here to see what happens. I don't usually do very well with shiners, but hey, you never know what happens out here on the river, and you never know what you're going to catch. So here we go. Let's get one. There we go, folks. Nice little walleye. It's a little small, but right species. He was hungry. He slammed that bad boy. We got a nice small one here, probably 14 inches. Not a bad looking fish, a lot of fun, good class of fish too. We'll let her go, or let him go, and let's see what else we can find. Let's let her go. So that's in 20 feet of water. And there's a few down there. We'll go back, we'll hit that spot again, see if we can pull a couple others out of it. And so far, big success. There we go. Tiny. Look at this, folks. What do you catch sometimes? Sometimes you get crappie. He's actually pretty decent. We'll go ahead and put him in the box. What do you think? About 10 inches, but he'll eat. So you never know what you're gonna catch out here. Nice little crappie. He'll keep small for the St. Croix. But we don't need the biggest, baddest fish. Little fish for a fish fry always works out. That was bad for that rod. Of course, that crappie was found in 25 feet of water. So I was 5 feet off the mark. Just wanted to see if there was anything a little deeper out here. But I'll take its brothers and sisters all day long. Make some good pan fry. It's a nice fish. Got the smaller of the two. Well, it's the right species, a lot smaller than we really needed to catch. Little baby eye. Let's let it go. There we go. Folks, would you look at that? Mr. Whiskers early in the morning. Mr. Whiskers. Like I said, you never know what you're gonna catch out here. And they're come June, July, these things are everywhere. Let's let her go. So let's try to snap jig a couple out of the shallows here, if we can. Oh, and there was my smallmouth. So let's change the bait. So here it is, folks, the secret bait. Check it out. That's what I'm gonna pull one with. At least I hope. Let's see what happens. Go for it. All right, there we go. Got one on. Fish on. It feels like a smallmouth to me, but you never know. This is a nice fish. Oh, this is a nice walleye, guys. This is a nice walleye. He's a fatty. Yes, sir. This is a fatty. It's what we're looking for. So, folks, here's what we came for. This is a nice eater walleye. Came off the snap jig. And the one thing about snap jigs is that when you get a fish on a snap jig, they are usually pretty decent sized. So just proves snap jigging works. Let's see if we can get another one. Let's do this. So let's get back on it. That one went to the box. He was 17.5 inches, and that's a perfect eater. Perfect for the frying pan tonight. And I'd like to get a few more. That would be nice. There we go. It's a small guy. Probably not the right species. Definitely not the right species. Mr. Sheephead. There we go, folks. Got one on. Fish on. This feels folks, you will not believe this. This is a huge smallmouth. And he is not happy. Give him a minute to settle down. There we go. How about this, folks? Nice little smallmouth. He is 17 inches and 3/4, just shy of 18 inches. Isn't she beautiful? What a beautiful fish. Check it out. Again, St. Croix River. You never know what you're gonna catch, but she is a beauty. We're gonna put her back in, let her go to fight another day. All right. Sorry, folks, we're back. Wanted to retie my line. Anytime a fish like that devours it down its mouth, I want to, especially with the little teeth, you want to change it over. If that line gets a little nicked, you don't want to lose a nice fish if you don't have to. So we're gonna go on. Let's see what else we can find. There we go. tiny. Another sheephead. I've had enough of these guys today. Yet fun. There we go. Fish on. There you go, folks. Another little crappie for the box, for the frying pan. Let's get some more. It's gonna be a good meal, folks. So there you go, folks. It looks like, you know, 2 crappies, a nice walleye. Definitely gonna get a little dinner out of this tonight. So I'm pretty excited about it. Wasn't expecting a whole lot today, but just because this wind's down makes it a little tougher. A little wind is always good out here. A little wind. Although I fish this in 30-mile-an-hour gusts, it's not fun. There we go. There we go, folks. That's a nicer fish. Of course, it's a sheephead. Sheephead. Well, it was the wrong species, so we let her go, and hopefully we don't find too many more of those. But it is the river. You never know. There we go. Small. Sheephead, I guess. Oh yeah, sheephead. Big one at that. Look at this thing. Look at that thing. There we go. 30 feet of water. And I think it's the right species. It is. There you go, folks. This is a sauger sitting in 40 feet of water. And he's an eater. He's in the box. There we go. Another one for the box, another one for dinner. Not the biggest, but he does taste good. There we go. Small, but we're getting the right species. There's a ton of these guys down there, a ton of these saugers. It's crazy. I'm just looking for the bigger ones, but man, there's a baby factory down there. Well, folks, that's gonna end it for me today. Just want to put in a few hours, check out some spots that I used to fish out on this side. I've got a bunch of new ones that I need to try out. It was a fun day. Always fun when you're catching fish, you're out on the water and you're having a good time. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it, and share it with your friends. And there'll be a whole lot more content coming out. I can promise you that. Just so excited to see what the rest of this season starts to bring us. And I appreciate you watching. All right, y'all have a great day. See you in the water.